Alright everyone, I'm fixing to do a headlight job, just replacing my headlight, and I will show you why. Here is why, guys. It's very important to have your harnesses, wires, zip ties, so don't move. So what happened is when I was opening the hood, sorry about that, because opening the hood, what happens is my harnesses, my headlight harnesses was right here, and it was stuck right here because this was here, and my harness is loose. When I opened the hood, it's actually pulled this harnesses, and look, now my headlight, it doesn't work. My low beam, it doesn't work because of this wire was here, and look, just ripped it off. See, that's why you need to put this all the way down and tie it this zip ties. Okay, and now I'll take my headlight off. Alright guys, to take your headlights, really simple, easy. 1, 2, 3, there's 1, 4. That's the 4th. Disconnect that wire. Okay, just pull that up, easy and slow. Just right, left, take it off. Place this somewhere safe. 30 millimeter. 1, 2, 'Alaikum salam. Yeah. It's my bolts. So this is my bolts. I got 4 of them. Don't lose them. Right guys, this is my replacement. Show you the harnesses. They all, see, all good. The other one, I put it in my garage because I have to leave here shortly. I said guys, really simple and easy. There's the clamps, if you see them, it goes right where is the screws, where is the bolts, very tight, and this sticks, if you see. Right guys, you see there's a clamp right there, goes in this hole, and here where is you tight, put your bolt, and this, the light, you put it in the middle to adjust the light, and then you're good to go guys. Right, let's do it. Get your 4 bolts, and that's my broken. Put it in there in the garage. Put your bolts, make sure the lights, put your bolt tight. Look front, fits good, everything good. Make sure the bolts goes in there, easy. Can't see that. That's in the middle. Alright guys, on each side you will have this plastic piece. It should go here in here, and you will have 4 bolts. So on that side you will have a piece of plastic, and that's how, and then tied it. So easy and slow. Right, that's done. That's how you place your headlight, guys. Connected the wires right there. Everything looks good. I'll bring my zip ties and tie this stuff. Tied my wires and harnesses so it don't happen that again. I got my zip ties right here, guys. So don't leave it like this, guys. And don't leave it like this. So try to zip ties, okay? To zip tie it, I mean. So let's do this one. Don't tie it really hard on this. No, okay? Just want to don't move like that. And then see. So you gotta have it like that actually. So it's going like this. But I guess we are good. And everything, I think one is enough. Just make sure your sensors stuck really good. And just cut that. Take it to the garbage. And that should be it. All right, guys, we got that done. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this. We'll see you in the next video. You guys have a good one.